Say hello to our new crab buddy. It all kicks off with this easy peasy shape. The fun kicks off super easy. Just draw this shape for the body, and voila, time to pop on those googly eyes. Did you know that crabs' legs are built so that they can move in any direction, even sideways? It's like their own special dance move. No wonder our little friend has such a huge, dazzling smile. Got any fun name ideas for our friendly chum? Let's come up with something as unique and lively as his dance moves. In the sand here stands a crab so small, with a sideways dance and a cheerful call. A crab so small, with a smiling face, it can dance sideways with elegant grace. With claws that click in waves so bright, he adds a spark to every sight. Our crab sketch is ready and done. Let's grab our marker and add some more fun. Using a marker is your golden moment to fix any oopsies and add extra flair to your crab. It's never too late to make changes or add cool details. We're here to have fun, learn some new tricks, and enjoy every moment. Tell me, you silly peep, got any wild ideas for our next scribble adventure? How about diving back into the deep and sketching another underwater buddy? Or maybe something totally different. Drop your ideas in the comments. Each line we add makes this crab even more awesome. I'm thrilled with how this is shaping up. It's looking so peeptastic. I can't help but smile, just like our friend here. Now that we've reached the finish line, it's time to admire our creation and splash on some colors. Check out how awesome mine turned out. And don't forget to join me for more free epic videos over at scribblepeeps.com. Bye!